Hello, and in this video I would like to talk about Honda Africa Twin toolkit. It looks like very straightforward topic. A lot of motorcycles have toolkits and you use them when you need them. So you have very basic tools to tighten up something or to do small maintenance task on the road or something like that. They are not the best, but it's like the minimum that you would need. So if you need it, you just take it and use it. Yes. But on the Africa Twin, it's actually not that straightforward. Nothing complicated once you know it, but still. You have to take off the toolkit, which is located here. This is the battery box. And inside the lid of the battery box, there is where is the toolkit. But to do that, you have to release two Allen bolts. How do you do that? So when I was going to my first longer trip, I better check what is there in a toolbox. And then I noticed, oh, I need to open this cover to access the toolbox, but then I need an Allen key. Okay, so I better take Allen key with me. But then I thought, no. It can't be that you have to have your own Allen key to access the toolbox. So I guess the old saying RTMF, read the fucking manual, applies. So I read the manual, and this is how you access the toolbox on this motorcycle. First, you take your ignition key, and here is the lock to unlock the passenger seat. So if you do that, you can take off the passenger seat, and under the passenger seat is not the second toolkit but some of the tools. And one of the tools, as you can see here, is an Allen key, which is size 5. You can see it's written there also. And if you look at the Allen key, it's a bit strange because it's very long arms on both sides. And that's specifically that you can mount the Allen key into the here, so you can pass the toolbox. You can remove the screw. The screws I've already pre-loosened just to make this video easier. Normally it takes a little bit more to take them off. I take the other one also. The top one is a little easier access. You can do it by your hand if you have lightened it. And then you take out this box. As you can see, there is the battery. And here is the box, and if you open it, here is your motorcycle toolkit. It's like a pouch, and here you have all your tools. You have normal spanners, ring spanners, and things that you would need to do very basic work on this motorcycle. So as you can see, sometimes a simple thing like a toolbox can also require extra steps, not only taking the toolkit and using it. Some bikes have the toolkit under the seat, so it's more easy, but on this bike it is split up, and that is how you access the toolkit on Africa Twin. Once you know it, it's very easy to use, there is no problem whatsoever, but that very little small fact that you need to open the passenger seat, and under the seat there is an Allen key that allows you to access the bigger tool set. You just have to know it, because if you ask the dealer, salesman, where is the toolbox? Yeah, it's there in the cover. Okay, but you are satisfied, but when you need it, oh, I need the tools, and then you cannot access, and then you are like in the trouble. So, as I said before, read the manual, learn your bike. I've learned my lesson, and then your life is a little bit easier. So that is all what I wanted to show today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next videos.